Well, good morning. How's everybody's day today? It's quite warm outside. I'm currently right now about to go to the gas station to get a bag of ice to put in my cooler because in today's video, we're cleaning up the old Mazda MIATA to get it ready for some upgrades, if you understand what I'm saying out of my mouth. No, I'm just kidding. But today, we actually are cleaning this thing up, getting the stickers off, pulling this old tint off because gotta go get it retinted. Kinda wanna take the wrap off, haven't really decided yet. The new wheels should be coming this weekend. If not Sunday, you'll see them, then you should see them Tuesday if everything goes well. Quick little life update. I actually went to the, quick little life update again. I'm also recording on a new camera. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, got me a new camera. If y'all didn't see the last video, go check that out. I got the Sony ZV-E10, absolutely incredible camera. This is my first video with it, so hope you guys are excited about it as I am. But again, quick life update. I went to the VA. I'm starting all of my VA paperwork process. That way I can go ahead and start getting paid for when I was in for all the stuff that's wrong with me. So if I happen to not film on a Tuesday or a Thursday, that's mainly going to be the reason because I have a doctor's appointment that day with the VA. So if I end up missing a day, don't stress out. I will be back. But the VA honestly is more important than these YouTube videos because the VA is, they're going to pay me for the rest of my life. Tax-free, okay? So I need as big a percentage as I can get. So we're gonna take this serious. So if I miss a day, don't stress, I'll be back. But thought I'd go ahead and give y'all a quick update on that. But right now, we are headed to the gas station to go ahead and pick me up a bag of ice for my cooler because it's a warm day. We're gonna get all these stickers off, get this tent off, and we'll go from there. So whatever it is that y'all guys do, grab you a drink, grab you a J, whatever it may be, sit down on your couch or in your bed, lay back and relax because today's gonna be a chill day. All right, enjoy today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, all right then. Well, got me a bag of ice, got me some water, got me a spicy chicken sandwich. Yeah, you got it. This thing needs a bushing kit in here, a short throw shifter, a new steering wheel, maybe some different seats, darker tint. I don't really know if I want to put a solid roof on here or not. I enjoy the convertible. The convertible do be nice on not hot days, so might just keep the vert and see how we like it. But right now, I'm headed back to the house. My bad, I was jamming out just some reggae. But anyways, I'll catch y'all back at the house. Okay, well, oh, God, it's quite warm out here. Very much so. But we made it home. I gotta get new headlights for this thing. Really bad light, because the headlights that are on here, I mean, they're just ain't doing it no more. I mean, I gotta get new headlights, gotta get new brake lights, gotta get ice in this cooler. I went ahead and put some water in here. Hopefully that they'll stay. Ooh, that is kind of cold. All right, I'll be back in just a second. All right, now we got drinks.
A few moments later.
Alright, well, after a 5-minute freak out, because I couldn't find the tripod that my camera belongs to, I found it, and now my, everything that's in my closet is now on top of my bed. But it's alright, because I found my tripod. I'm gonna start taking these stickers off this car. I'm gonna use a heat gun, and I couldn't find a razor blade holder, so this is what we're using. A razor blade connected to a vice grip. Redneck ingenuity at its finest. So, I went ahead and scratched off all the glue that I had. Now I'm about to start yanking off this window tint because I gotta take this thing to Jose, get him to black this thing out. So, I'm gonna rip this tint off, enjoy the time lapse. That's one door done. That took entirely too long. Let's go ahead and do the second door that's gonna take entirely too long. Let's see if I can just pull this off without any heat or anything and see if it'll come off nice. Well, glad to see it was double layered. Well, maybe we'll get lucky. Shoo-wee. Shoo-wee! Look at there, I got less glue to pick up, thank God. I think it's since it was so hot out here, since it was already old tint, it already wasn't sticking very well. And then I added heat to it, which made the glue stick even better. So, if you got old tint and you're trying to take it off, leave it out in the sun for a couple hours, let it get nice and sticky, and it should literally just fall right off, just like it did with just a little bit of glue left on the window. If you do have some glue left on the window, just find you some window spray, spray it on. The stuff inside the window spray will eat the glue, so it dissolves really quickly, and then just get you a razor blade, doesn't really matter what kind, and just scrape the glue off, wipe it down, do that a couple times, and then bada bing, bada boom, you ain't got no more old window tint. I gotta call Jose, which is the tint guy that has literally done tint on all of my vehicles. I gotta call him and get this thing scheduled so we can go in there and get this thing dark. Oh, look at that, no glue? Too easy. Now the only thing I gotta do is just get this little bit of residue off, and that shouldn't take long. I was thinking about washing this thing today, but it's quite warm. I don't know if I really want to or not. So I'm either gonna cut the video short after this, or I'm gonna wash it. Kinda depends. Actually, it all depends on what time it is. I still gotta do the back glass, get the tint off the back glass. That one's gonna be kinda weird because it has the strips on there, so hopefully I don't mess the strips up. So, I guess we'll figure it out when we get to that point. nice and hot because that's inside the car. Don't know how I'm gonna film that. Maybe I'll film it from the outside, but yeah, that's gonna be hot. All right, I'm getting it. So y'all are just gonna see it from the outside point of view. Now, you know what's actually weird as hell to me? How did the tint soak up? Oh, I know why, because the sun was beating down, but the stickers were there. So this is originally how dark the tint was, and this is over the years of fading, how faded it got. Wow. So, anyways, the car is now tintless, stickerless. Kind of want to take these badges off. Got to get new taillights, got to get new headlights, got to get this thing tint on this thing again. It is quite warm out here. So many things to do, so little money. Don't you just love that? You buy all these project cars and then you got all these things that you want to do and then you realize that you don't have any money to do all the things because you spent all your money on everything. Thanks, MIATA, I appreciate it. Well, the inside's reasonably clean for what I can do today. Oh, all right. Well, I was actually inside editing the video, but that's why I don't have a shirt on. But the inside of the car is cleaner than what she was. Obviously, the vacuum didn't do a very good job, so I'm gonna have to come back in here, clean it all up, do it all over again, clean the inside one more time. Probably go take it to a car wash, clean the outside, have somebody else do it, because I actually hate cleaning cars. I worked at Autobell Car Wash for 4 years, and that's all I did was clean cars. So I'm gonna have somebody else clean the car, but the interior is looking pretty good. I actually did find this little badge. 2003 MIATA Shinsen Edition. This car is 1,396 out of 1,451. Had no idea, so that's pretty cool. Definitely gonna be keeping that. The inside smells good. I got this little air freshener in here. Still gotta clean it up. Still gotta clean the outside. Still gotta call Jose, get the tint on it. But ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of weird. I didn't really do much in today's video, but like I said, it was a relaxing time. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave it down in the comments. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to do so because there's more MIATA videos coming and a whole bunch of other videos coming. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave it down in the comments. Without y'all, I wouldn't be able to do this. So thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. I truly love y'all from the bottom of my heart. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to do so. God bless you and God bless this country. I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.